welcome back out to the boat. We're sitting at the marina. We are going to do fuel filters today. Start with our generator and do our main engines as well. Generator seems to want to run a little while and conk out, so we're thinking, hey, maybe it's fuel delivery. We know that the starboard motor has some fuel delivery issues sometimes when you start it up, so don't forget to like and subscribe. But let's show you how to do fuel filters. First thing you want to do is make sure you got a little bit of oil. By using a little bit of oil on the rubber ring helps you seat them out nice. So that's one thing you got to have. The other thing, you got to have some type of oil filter wrench. We got a couple styles. We got this metal strap on. We don't have our real nice one with us. We do have this other one here, which is a rubber strap style. So we'll see how it goes. If we can't get it with these, we're just going to have to wait and bring the other one next week. All right, you got to remember that one, you should turn off your fuel if you got a knob to turn off the fuel flow. We got to get this thing to go loose then. Okay, once you get that part way loose, you can get in there with your hand and spin it. Once you get this, you gotta make sure that that's clean under there. It's kind of dirty. We gotta get a rag, clean it out. We put some nice oil on that ring right there. Bring this up here and okay, bring it till it touches, and then try to hand tighten it a half to 3/4 of a turn. You can't quite get it, that's okay, because what you can do is go underneath like this, grab it with a wrench for a little bit, screw pulled out again. Gonna have to fix these screws. Screws about stripped. Then you can turn your fuel back on. There you go, fuel's back on. All right, let's start generator. It may conk out on us here if she doesn't get fuel quick enough. That's going to stay running. Going to move on to doing an engine now. Shut this off. Okay, so that's this one here, and she's a lot harder to get at. Well, you got to remember, you got to get this on there where you're going to be. Okay. Again, don't forget to wipe this off. Put a little oil in our filter. We'll show you that in a minute. Now you want to make sure you put this underneath here and get it started up. And I always put the wrench on it, give it a little bit of a tweak here, just to make sure it's good. And that's pretty good. All right, that's that one done. All right, so like we said, we put a little oil on here. What we do is we just put a dash and then get it on the gasket like this. That way it helps you tighten it up, makes a good seal. That's all there is to that. Done. All right, so there's the filter. Again, you gotta put this on here. Oh, gonna be hard to get this one out. Oh God, the problem you get into is when you got tight spots, you can't work. I can't get it to turn. Tight in there. Motor's kind of warm, so I gotta get up out of here. Can't put your hand on here, it's still too warm from our ride. Be careful not to spill these. Make sure you wipe this under here. Then you can put the new one on. There's where it got tight. And I always kind of put this on here to give it a little extra. Okay. Don't want it too tight, you'll never get them off. All right, we'll start them. No leakage on that one. All right, no fuel leaks. Okay, so changing your fuel filters was easy. Don't forget a little extra oil on there. It helps. And your wrench. You need a wrench like this. Don't forget like and subscribe. This was like a little more, but I'm at Starved Rock, and they're a great marina, so like and subscribe.